In this video, you'll learn how to delete tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're cleaning up old to-dos, removing duplicates, or just keeping your workspace tidy, knowing how to safely delete a task is an important part of staying organized. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and that you're in the correct space folder and list where the task lives. It helps to have a clear idea of which task you want to remove so you don't accidentally delete something important. Take a quick moment to scan the task name, its status, and any assignees or due dates just to confirm it's really the one you want gone. Next, move your mouse over the task you want to delete. You can do this from views like List View, Board View, or wherever your tasks are displayed in your current setup. Hovering over the task will usually highlight it slightly, making it easier to see exactly what you're about to work with. Now, right-click on the task. This is the key action. When you right-click, a context menu should appear with several options related to that specific task. These often include actions like opening the task, changing its status, duplicating it, and importantly for this tutorial, deleting it. Look through that context menu and find the option labeled delete. The wording might be as simple as delete or something similar, but it will clearly indicate that you're about to remove the task. Once you've found it, click on delete. At this point, depending on your ClickUp settings and the version you're using, you may see a confirmation prompt. This is there to protect you from removing tasks by accident. If a confirmation window appears, take a second to double check the task name and details shown in that prompt. If everything looks correct and you're sure you no longer need the task, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the task will be removed from your view. If you're tidying up a long list, you might notice your list becomes shorter and easier to manage right away. If you don't see any change, try refreshing the page or switching views for a moment just to make sure your workspace has updated. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Be cautious when deleting tasks that have a lot of comments, attachments, or custom field data, because deleting the task will remove all of that associated information from your active workspace. If you're unsure, it might be worth opening the task first, reviewing its contents, and maybe taking a quick screenshot or copying any important notes before you right-click and delete it. Also, if you're working in a shared workspace, remember that deleting a task can affect your teammates. If a task is assigned to someone else or is part of a larger project, you may want to confirm with your team before removing it or check any internal guidelines about who is allowed to delete tasks. And that's all there is to it. By right-clicking on a task and choosing delete, you can quickly clean up your ClickUp workspace and keep your task lists focused on what really matters.